Today we discuss about integrated disease management, general principles of plant disease management. So totally five principles of the disease management: avoidance of the pathogen, exclusion of the inoculum, eradication of pathogen, protection, and last one resistance. Then in that first one, that is avoidance of the pathogen. In that, the selection of the geographical area, selection of field, time of sowing, disease escaping, resistant varieties, and seed material. In that first one, that is selection of the geographical area, the area for sowing should be selected by examining various conditions like temperature, humidity, topography, rainfall, climate, etc. The area for planting should be clean, weed free, having good slope and topography. Selection of the field: the field should be drained and have well arrested and aerated soil, so air should be freely comes and out. The planting field must be weed free and clean for sowing. It must have good drainage facilities. Avoiding of infested field is necessary to decrease incidence of many soil-borne diseases. Time of sowing: the adjusting the time of the sowing is an important principle to avoiding the upcoming diseases. So sowing time should be adjusted as per the rainfall. Then next one, that is disease escaping or resistant varieties. The resistant particular disease resistant varieties is shown for avoiding the disease. Example, IR20 is grown to avoid the plaster rice. Then seed material: it must important to use the disease-free seeds for sowing. Many diseases are originated as seed-borne, so use 100% pure disease-free seeds is necessary. Before sowing, seed treatment should be done to kill the seed-borne diseases. The next one principle, that is exclusion of the inoculum. In that first one, seed treatment. The pathogen present on the surface of the seeds, tubers, etc. can be excluded by the chemical control. Third one, that is physical method. In that next one, that is physical method, that is hot water treatment, developed by Jensen 1887 in 1887. Hot water treatment to seed at 54 degrees Celsius temperature for 10 minutes. Example, loose mud of the wheat can be controlled by using hot water treatment. Then solar energy treatment or the solar heat treatment, developed by Luthra in 1931. In this method, seeds are soaked in a cold water for 4 to 5 hours before drying them in a scorching sun under the sunlight. These methods are used to control loose mud of the wheat and barley. Hot air treatment, developed by Kunjal for the control the virus in a propagative stalks in a peach yellow. Chemical method: seed treatment with fungicide before sowing to diseases caused by seed-borne infection to protect the germinating seeds or seedling from the attack of soil-borne pathogens. Eradication, third one principle, that is eradication. These measures is taken for the elimination of the pathogen after it is establishment or the incidence on the host. It includes crop rotation, sanitation, elimination, and elimination of alternative host, removing disease plant parts, heat and chemical treatments in a disease plants, soil treatments, protection. It includes chemical treatment, chemical control of insect vector that transmits the viral diseases. Principles of avoidance, exclusion, eradications may not be sufficient to prevent the contact of host with a pathogen. Thus, the development of disease is imminent. The measures are necessary to protect the host plants or invading inoculums. It can be achieved by creating toxic barrier between the plant surface and the inoculum. Methods used to achieve such results as chemical spray, dust, modification of the environment, modification of the host nutrition. Resistance, last principle, selection and hybridization of disease for disease resistance. Host resistance can be induced by certain biotic and abiotic factors. Use of biotechnological tools such as tissue culture, genetic engineering, protoplast fusion are used to develop the resistant varieties. So, to make host resistant in the crop varieties is important principle in a plant disease management. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.